If you're tired of slow internet, buffering streams, or security risks while browsing, then you're about to discover the best express routers and high-speed networking solutions that can completely transform your online experience. Whether you're working remotely, gaming competitively, or streaming in 4K, the right router or network device can make all the difference. In today's video, we've handpicked the top 5 powerful routers and networking devices that deliver blazing fast speeds, advanced security, and next-level performance for both USA and international users. And here's the best part. We've included all product links in the description below, so if you find something you like, you can instantly check the latest price and details. Make sure to click those links early before stocks run out. Stay with us till the end, because our number 1 pick is a game changer that most people don't even know about. Let's dive into the countdown. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have a powerhouse for those who want raw speed and flexibility. At number 5, the Hitron Coda 56 DOCSIS 3.1 cable modem. Now, this is not your typical all-in-one router, and that's exactly why it stands out. Designed for users who prefer customizing their network setup, this modem allows you to pair it with any high-performance router of your choice, giving you maximum control over speed, coverage, and security. With DOCSIS 3.1 technology, it supports multi-gigabit internet plans, making it perfect for heavy users who stream, game, and work online simultaneously without lag. One of the biggest advantages here is eliminating monthly rental fees from ISPs, which can save you hundreds of dollars annually. It's also widely compatible with major US providers like Xfinity, Spectrum, and Cox, ensuring seamless integration. The build quality is solid, and setup is relatively straightforward, even for beginners. However, keep in mind that since it doesn't include Wi-Fi, you'll need a separate router to complete your setup. But for users who want performance without compromise, this is actually a huge advantage. If you're serious about upgrading your internet backbone and unlocking full speed potential, this modem is a smart investment. For more details and the latest price, check the link in the description box below. Moving on to number 4, we step into the future of wireless connectivity at number 4, with the TP-Link Archer B12000 Wi-Fi 7 router. This is where cutting-edge technology meets real-world performance. Equipped with the latest Wi-Fi 7 standard, this router delivers insanely fast speeds, ultra-low latency, and improved bandwidth efficiency, making it ideal for smart homes, gamers, and content creators. The inclusion of the 6 GHz band significantly reduces congestion, ensuring smoother connections even when multiple devices are connected at once. Whether you're streaming 8K content, running cloud gaming sessions, or handling large file transfers, this router handles everything effortlessly. Another standout feature is its seamless integration with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control your network with simple voice commands. The design is sleek yet powerful, with advanced antennas that provide wide coverage across large homes. Security is also top-notch, with built-in protection to keep your data safe from cyber threats. Setup is user-friendly, thanks to TP-Link's intuitive app, making it accessible even for non-tech users. If you're looking for a future-proof router that delivers blazing speed and smart features, this is an excellent choice. To explore more and grab the best deal, check the link in the description box below. At number 3, we have something unique, the GL.iNet Brume 3, a high-speed VPN security gateway designed for privacy-focused users and remote professionals. Unlike traditional routers, this device focuses heavily on network security and encrypted connections, making it a perfect choice for freelancers, digital nomads, and businesses handling sensitive data. With built-in VPN support, including OpenVPN and WireGuard, it ensures your internet traffic remains private and secure at all times. One of its standout features is multi-WAN support, allowing you to connect multiple internet sources for backup and load balancing, which is incredibly useful for maintaining stable connectivity. Performance-wise, it delivers impressive speeds even with VPN enabled, which is often a weak point in many devices. The compact design makes it easy to integrate into any setup, whether at home or in a professional environment. Advanced users will appreciate the customization options, while beginners can rely on pre-configured settings for quick setup. If online privacy, secure remote work, and stable connectivity are your priorities, this device is a game changer. It's not just a router, it's a security powerhouse. For more details and to see if it fits your setup, check the link in the description box below. Coming in strong at number 2, we have the Aircove Smart VPN Router, a device built for simplicity, security, and seamless performance. What makes this router stand out is its built-in VPN functionality, allowing you to protect all your devices without needing to install VPN software individually. That means your smart TVs, gaming consoles, and even IoT devices can enjoy secure browsing effortlessly. Powered by Wi-Fi 6 technology, it delivers fast speeds and reliable coverage, making it perfect for modern households with multiple connected devices. Setup is incredibly straightforward, even for beginners, and the interface is clean and easy to navigate. One of its biggest advantages is the ability to connect unlimited devices while maintaining strong performance, which is ideal for families or shared living spaces. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working remotely, this router ensures a smooth and secure experience. It also helps bypass geo-restrictions, unlocking global content libraries for streaming enthusiasts. If you want a hassle-free way to combine speed and privacy in one device, this router is a fantastic option. To learn more and check current pricing, head over to the link in the description box below. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, we have the Solis Edge 5G portable Wi-Fi hotspot, a true game changer for people who need internet on the go. This isn't just a router, it's your personal global internet solution. With 5G capability and worldwide coverage, it allows you to stay connected in over 130+ countries without needing local SIM cards. That makes it perfect for travelers, business professionals, and digital nomads. The device supports multiple carriers, automatically connecting to the best available network for optimal performance. Battery life is impressive, providing hours of continuous usage, and the compact design makes it easy to carry anywhere. One of the biggest advantages is its ability to connect multiple devices simultaneously, making it ideal for group travel or remote work setups. Unlike traditional routers, this device offers unmatched flexibility and convenience, ensuring you're never offline no matter where you are. Setup is quick, and the user interface is beginner-friendly. If you want ultimate freedom, speed, and global connectivity, this is hands down the best choice on the list. For more details and to get yours today, check the link in the description box below. That's all from today's reviews. I hope this video helped you understand which option fits your needs best. To make things easier for you, I've added all the product links in the description box below, so you can check the latest price, detailed specifications, and grab the best deals available right now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest product reviews. And if you have any questions, experiences, or suggestions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.